guys know how with Subun. So basically today video is regarding DIY, and yeah, it is a bit different video from all my rest videos. Actually this video is regarding the DIY for the dairy cover. I love writing dairy as well as I love making plans and all that, but I don't like such covers. Yeah, I got this dairy from my mother. So I just want to make it some, you can say some creativeness and all that. So for that I have searched on it, and there were so many examples for doing all this. So I decided to do it, and I decided to make videos so that it can also be helpful for you guys. So basically we need very few things in this. So here are all the things. You can have such kind of colorful papers. Yeah, I got this for only 20 rupees per piece. So I like this design and I bought it. Some colored sheets. These are some different kind of A4 size colored sheets. Colored sketch pens, tape, Fevicol, scissors. I have got two scissors. One is the design scissor. You must be knowing about it. You can see the design. And another one is a simple design. And let's get started to it. Rest is all your creativity. So guys, we are now going to turn this boring cover into the interesting one so that you can have a beautiful journal for the entire year and plan your day accordingly. So let's get started to it.
So guys, this will be the final look that we will get after doing all this DIY general cover. You can see the dairy is not looking so good, and I don't think so it can give me encouragement to complete my to-do list. So I have selected these colorful pages. Aren't they nice? Yes, this will, I think so, give me encouragement to complete my to-do list task of the entire day. So before pasting the pages, I should mention you that you can gently draw the line of or the edges of the dairy so that you can cut the paper in a very flawless manner. There should be no crimpy edges on the end so that it should look really graceful when you cover it. Just make sure you mark all the edges properly. You can use the pen or the pencil, whatever you are having. Then take a plain scissor and cut it gently. Don't be in a hurry, guys. You don't have to catch any train or anything. Just be calmly work over there. Just do calm work over there. Sorry for the fumbleness. Just be calm and cut the proper paper. Now take another paper and make sure that you should not waste any page. Like, see, you can see I have taken that piece of paper, yes, that I will be utilizing later on because that will be used to cover the side edges. Now I have taken the second sheet. Cut it according to the first sheet because you have been marked the edge on the first sheet. Now you have two side papers with you, and now it's time to just paste it. Take a dairy, apply anything. You have Fevicol, you have Fevistick, whatever you guys are having. Apply it gently. Make sure you cover all the edges. Everything should be covered, so that the paper should not come up when you fold the dairy or when you open it. It should be just stick out it. Just let me do it a fast forward way so that you can see the video quickly. Just make sure you cover all the page. All the dairy area should be covered. Nothing should be left. Just take the waste paper with you and you can just separate the Fevicol. If you have a brush, you can use that, but I was not having. So I took the rough page and utilized it. Now it's time to paste it. Very gently keep the paper over it and press it. Press it properly. Press it properly from the top to bottom so that it can get stick to it. You can clearly look that it is totally flawless with the dairy edges. Now perform the same action on the back side of it. Rub the Fevicol or the Fevistick to the entire back cover of it and then place the cover. Be gentle, guys, be gentle. No hurry. You have to work very gently when you have to do such kind of tasks because you want the end result should be flawless. Now you should take tape or anything because I want that it should be completely stick to my dairy. I am utilizing tape to paste the edges. Same I will be performing to the another side. You can check it, guys. I'm just making sure that my entire diary is being covered by this and there should be no edges left. Now see, the page that I have kept while cutting the paper is being utilized over here. I am not throwing that away, I am not doing anything of that, but I am utilizing it. Yes. Just make sure you have covered the entire diary with this chart paper or with any chart paper you take. I should suggest you to take that chart paper that you utilize for the simple covers rather than the ivory sheet, because ivory sheet will be sometimes difficult to open it. Okay, and now when it comes to decoration, like I have covered that all the things, now I'm going to write something that should represent my journal. So I'm going to cut it out. I am taking the designer Caesar so that I can give the design to the edges and all that. You can write anything, like I'm going to write the year with a thought I'm going to write because I just want to get encouraged. I don't, because I have so many tasks in my life to do and I want something that should encourage me, and I should want, like, I just want positive vibes from it. So I am using a positive thought with it and the year on this. Just cut in any shape you want. I'm just giving it a rectangular shape with the design edges. You can check it out. Now I'm going to paste it. See, now I'm going to add the year. Whatever you don't want to add the year, add whatever you want to add. And now it's time to write the quote. I'm going to write best year ahead. Yes, I'm going to write best year ahead. That's it. Now paste it, guys. And
So guys, we are done with the general. You have seen that the boring diary has been converted into a beautiful general. It's just so simple. All the steps I have mentioned in the video, hardly it took 50 rupees only to convert this boring diary into a beautiful general. And I hope you like my video. Guys, just see the close-up of this. You can see I have mentioned the year and I have written the quote, best year ahead. You can write any quote you want that give you motivation and give you positive vibes. So here is the general that I made. In the next video, I will be coming with how to prepare the entire journal. Right now the diary is empty, you can see. In the next video, I am going to show you how to fill the journal and how to prepare your plan and all that for that, so that you can complete all your to-do list in a day or in a month or whenever you want to. So thank you guys. Hey guys, hope you liked my video, and I think so you will also going to prepare your journal after watching this or not, because I really loved it. So guys, we are very close to 2000 subscribers over here, so I just want your support as well as your love. So please share my video, subscribe my channel, and do follow me on social media. All the links are given below in the description. You can check over there, and I have also mentioned the link of my own website that is mentioned below. You can check all the different DIYs over there. Plus, I would like to know what kind of videos you want that I should make for you, so that I can have good ideas for that. But still, I am going to bring few more videos regarding the general as well as the other DIYs in coming days. So guys, please support me and share this video as much as you can. Thank you so much.